Hi everyone, welcome to our quick English vocabulary booster. Today we are diving into essential words for women's clothes.
Dress. This is a beautiful dress. She tried on the dress. Dress. Skirt. I'm looking for a skirt. This skirt is very stylish. Skirt. Blouse. She chose a white blouse. It's a silk blouse. Blouse. Sweater. I need a warm sweater. This sweater is made of wool. Sweater. Cardigan. She wears a cardigan. This cardigan is very cozy. Cardigan. Jeans. I need a new pair of jeans. These jeans are comfortable. Jeans. Swimsuit. She needs a new swimsuit. This swimsuit is very stylish. Swimsuit. Jacket. I'm looking for a jacket. This leather jacket is nice. Jacket. Scarf. She bought a silk scarf. This scarf is very fashionable. Scarf. Leggings. She bought new leggings. These leggings are black. Leggings. Coat. It's a warm winter coat. This coat is on sale. Coat. Underwear. You can find underwear here. They have comfortable underwear. Underwear. Handbag. She chose a beautiful handbag. This handbag matches her shoes. Handbag. Hat. She tried on a hat. This hat is perfect for summer. Hat. Skirt. Blouse. Jacket. Coat. Cardigan. Sweater. Underwear. Leggings. Hat. Handbag. Swimsuit. Scarf. Dress. Jeans.
Great job today! Keep practicing these new words. Don't forget to subscribe for more vocabulary lessons and check out our full shopping video for even deeper learning. See you in the next video.